nice. Here we are live. We also have the Google trade running in the background. We had a 3 teeny reversal to the penny, so that was 1, 2, 3, and then a 1, and we're working on a 2 teeny reversal up. So that's a total round trip of 5 teenies at $1.53 per teeny line in directional price movement here and now. Now, Baidu, on the other hand, the left elbow, that gap down is that on the monthly options expiration. They have decided to come in, and you can see where that teeny breakout expansion is. And this thing here, it too came down 1, 2, 3 teenies, but then you're making a higher high. You took out that last teeny high reversal. This thing is burning at 97. You're making 0.55 ratio high, 0.53 printing. Now, let's see how far the Baidu left elbow gap down breakout continues to go. What a nice entry. The 125 calls would have been the strike prices and 120 calls in the money. And the left elbow, and this is all happening in 28 minutes of the opening bell at 6:59 a.m. Almost 30-minute, 2 15-minute bars will be in play. You can see the double right breakout opening price action on Baidu. Monthly options price volatility, how the mechanical machines work versus the human transaction, and you can see how Baidu continues that opening 30-minute opening bell price action breakout.
Came out at half bar.
Okay, there we are. Uh-oh. I did something.
Google at 93%.
Look at that
Dow
thing.
53.
Look at this Baidu.
I'm watching it.
Hey,
New highs.
the Baidu trade continues to break out. We'll go over to the Google, but let's really monitor. You got 59. You printed 60. You printed over a half delta price movement, $4.03 price movement on that left elbow to those teeny highs. That's what that trade was worth so far. And it's elevated here. And as long as we stay up toward the intraday ratio high there, here it is. If we break 61, we continue that Baidu breakout. 62s are printing. We continue to break higher. Ratio high now, 63, and Baidu continues to break out. MNTs, this is the kinds of breakouts that you're looking for, and it happens on these stocks that you cover every day. We'll take a look at the opening bell Signup trade, and these, once again, is Baidu 3-minute chart, price action, opening bell live, 30-minute tape, 30-minute left elbow opening gap down, elevated, everything is working, 0.63 highs, price action breakout. We can also see right here on the Google chart, right here and now, this one down here is Baidu, but you had that reversal, 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teenies, and now you had a long trade, 1 teeny, 2 teenies, 3 teenies higher, and we're going toward the 4 teeny at $1.53 in that direction. And that thing is burning, and this is totally the opposite of yesterday because of the monthly price options volatility expiration. Get it on. Price action is moving. Both of them are breaking higher. That Baidu's at 99, Google's at 99, 97. Look at here, 2.3. You were breaking higher ratios as you broke up off of that leverage up entry live. Okay, and that's just the opposite of yesterday's intraday trading on both of these names, and it's a monthly options expiration. Time at 7:02 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Today's date 8/19/2011. Here and now, you can see how they're breaking higher. And equities, whether it's man or machine, but we keep breaking teeny higher. We keep breaking ratio highs here in the SMF platform. Same thing over here on Baidu. They both look just like each other. This one here was a smoother left elbow. I mean, that thing, but it only had one morning pullback in 33 minutes. This one, it had one pullback here. It makes the double top. It comes up to the neckline, reverses, and then is making teeny highs. This is what we had talked about in pre-market. And we talked about the elevation here. And we talked about ratio highs, which are price action breakouts up to the next teeny line. As long as that keeps going until it stops, we continue to go higher or consolidate at 95, 94, 95. They both look the same. 93, 92. So you can see a reversal coming here now on both live entries. And we'll see what the teeny down is now. If it's 3 teenies down, that was a great teeny breakout. Bam! Look at this one on Google. Straight up here to the next teeny line. 95. This one's at 96. They're elevated. They're coming off their highs here at 0.64. This one here is toward 0.28. And as long as it stays there, if it breaks it, you'll go higher in price. Live opening bell. Leo's brought to our attention a top reversal here. Tina is saying that there's a reversal on Google over here. I'm hearing that there is a reversal on Baidu and how stocks finally make their ratio highs, and you can see the kind of contraction, and that's a reversal with the teeny coming right back down in the same direction. There was no buyers up here. And you can see 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny, 4 teeny reversal at 42 pennies a teeny on Baidu. You can clearly see the Amazon or Google reversal again at the highs. You can see it. 0.2921 still nicely elevated right in here. But they're all similar. We are going to do on the next live entry with MMT Leo about how Amazon broke higher from that left elbow gap down and where the confirmation was, and then what was actually taking place and really happening to
out
support.
of my short.
You're out of your Google short? Okay, so on the next videos, MMTs, that's what we're going to do. Okay, and we're going to be on all of these names. And you can see how the intraday highs I got put in, and you can see another intraday high reversal. Time is 7:09, 39 minutes into the price action opening bell tape on all of the names involved. Google, Amazon, and Baidu. Okay, Baidu, and I'll put the Amazon up in the next live video.